Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, everybody. This is filmed the day before National Ceiling Fan Day. Here's my 30-inch canarm twister ceiling fan, starting with the light. And now the fan on low. I seem to fix the wobble a little bit. Who knows when this fan is actually going to be put up, since we've had no time to do that. Okay. Bumper up to medium. Did you see I kind of stopped the wobble a little bit? Still wobbles a good amount though. Yeah, I don't know why it wobbles. So don't ask me. I'm going to put it on high for only a second because it seems to wobble pretty bad. Yeah, it seems to wobble pretty bad. Here's the light one last time. It's a super bright light bulb. Alright, I'm going to let that slow down. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day.